Good day everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem from Striver SDE Sheet, that is reverse a linked list. So let's start our timer also. Okay. So we are given head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse list. Okay. It is simply reversing. Okay. So if you don't know list, so you can use one thing, that is you can store all the values in array and reverse that array and make list of that. But we are going to reverse this linked list. So we are given head, right? For example, if list was in case list was 1 2 1 2 3 4 none, so we have to return 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Okay, no problem. So what we can do is, first let's keep a pointer that is previous. Okay, let it keep it as none. So what we are basically going to do is, first we will pick this one and make its next as none, and then next of 2 would be this 1, then next of 3 would be 2, and next of 4 would be 3. Simple. So while, let's take another pointer, current is equal to head, right? We could change head, but let's keep it simple. So while current, right, it means while there is element which we are in having in current. Okay, until unless it's null, we will be keep going. So now so we can make as current, we can keep it as head is equal to current dot next. Okay, and current dot next is equal to previous. Okay, and previous. So what we have done basically, see, head is equal to current dot next. Okay, head is now at 2. Okay, no problem. Current dot next is previous, that is 2's next is 1's next is now none, and head is over here. Okay, no problem. Now we have to shift our previous to this point, right? That is current. Yeah, so previous is equal to current, right? Now just do one thing, current is equal to head. So what we have to return previous. Simple. Let's try to run this problem. Okay, sorry. Yeah, it's working. So let's quickly go through this problem once more. I'll be explaining you, right? Okay, so what we have basically done, just went through the description where it is. Yeah, went to the linked list. See, while current is not none, we will keep on going. Okay, current is current is becoming current dot next, because head is current dot next and we are assigning the. So what we have basically done, heads next is none, and we are now pointing to the next pointer. Okay, and this next of this would be this previous. So basically whole linked list is reversed. Okay, next thank you, see you in the next lecture. Bye.